Should I add a hanging light or another standing light to my indoor trellis setup? The winner was hanging light, so let's get it added. Because the ceilings are a little high in my apartment, I think the best thing to do right now is add a hook directly to the trellis, and then depending on plant growth, maybe later I'll hang the light from the ceiling. The first thing I'm doing is marking where I want the screws at because we're going to pre-drill those holes. Pre-drilling helps prevent the wood from splitting when you insert the screws, and I usually go with a drill bit that's a little bit smaller than the diameter of the screw. This trellis setup is great for climbing plants like peas, cucumbers. In my first clip you saw a butternut squash plant, but for this trellis, I'm adding a lemon drop watermelon plant to it. I plan on training it to climb the trellis in a zigzag pattern instead of climbing all the way up, then down. That way the lighting's more evenly distributed. These are just some hook and loop straps. They're strong enough to keep the light at the desired height, but also have enough give to easily adjust it. Usually I would try to hide the cord, but because this is white and fabric, I think I'm okay with it being there. Here's how it's looking. I really like this light, but the company discontinued it, so I won't say much about it, but it's basically a much cheaper knockoff of the Soltech Solutions light. I've also found that visually, this is my favorite grow light color temperature, which is 4000 Kelvin. It's just a very nice white glow, not too yellow, not too blue. I plan on turning the second trellis into a lettuce and kale wall, so be sure to like and follow for the update.